Pre-made windows. Washington, D.C. offer a convenient solution for homeowners seeking quick and efficient window installation. These windows are readily available from top window suppliers in Washington, D.C., ensuring a seamless process from selection to installation. With a variety of window styles and window materials, pre-made windows cater to diverse aesthetic preferences and functional needs. Window installation in Washington, D.C. is expertly handled by professional window contractors who ensure precision and quality. These contractors provide comprehensive window services, including window consultations and window estimates, to help you choose the best options for your home or business. Whether you need residential windows or commercial windows, Washington, D.C. has a range of window installation services to meet your needs. Custom windows in Washington, D.C. are perfect for those looking to add a unique touch to their homes. These windows are tailored to fit specific window measurements and can be designed in various window styles to match your personal taste. Custom windows offer flexibility in window materials and window frames, allowing for a personalized look that enhances your property's curb appeal. Energy-efficient windows in Washington, D.C. are a smart investment for reducing energy costs and improving comfort. These windows are designed to minimize heat transfer, keeping your home warm in the winter and cool in the summer. With options like double-hung windows and casement windows, energy-efficient windows are available in various window brands and pre-made windows. Washington styles to suit any home. Vinyl windows in Washington, D.C. are a popular choice due to their durability and low maintenance requirements. These windows are resistant to weathering and provide excellent insulation, making them an ideal option for both residential windows and commercial windows. Vinyl windows come in a range of window styles and window colors, offering versatility and aesthetic appeal. Double-hung windows in Washington, D.C. are a classic choice for homeowners seeking traditional style and functionality. These windows feature two operable sashes, allowing for easy ventilation and cleaning. Double-hung windows are available in various window materials and window brands, ensuring a perfect fit for any home design. Casement windows in Washington, D.C. provide excellent ventilation and unobstructed views. These windows are hinged on the side and open outward, making them ideal for hard-to-reach areas. Casement windows are available in a variety of pre-made windows, Washington styles and window materials, offering both aesthetic and functional benefits. Window replacement in Washington, D.C. is essential for maintaining the integrity and efficiency of your home. Professional window contractors offer window installation and window replacement services to address issues such as drafts, leaks, and broken glass. With access to top window brands and window showrooms, you can find the perfect replacement windows to enhance your home's performance and appearance. Window suppliers in Washington, D.C. offer a wide selection of window brands and styles to meet diverse needs. From traditional to contemporary designs, these suppliers provide high-quality windows that enhance the appearance and value of any property. Window showrooms in Washington, D.C. allow customers to see and compare different window options in person. Window contractors in Washington, D.C. are experienced in handling all types of window projects, from new installations to replacements. Their expertise ensures that every window service is completed efficiently and to the highest standards. Customers can rely on these professionals for comprehensive window solutions tailored to their specific requirements.